Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Alliance food in Lands of Jail. To get Alliance food, you need to be a member of an alliance, access your alliance territory to see the alliance bonuses, resources, and buildings. You don't need to be the leader, any member can contribute. The main way to gather food is through canistries, the red buildings in the territory. Take control of these buildings and contribute to them as they add to the alliance's resources, including food. You can also view the reserves and track how much is available. Once your alliance has enough resources, go to Resource Redemption in the territory menu to claim the food. Note that availability depends on your server. Some servers may have a waiting period before you can redeem sources. Being active and helping maintain territory control ensures you get the most alliance food possible. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.